How's it going? Jason here, Electric Bike Tech, here with Liberty Trike for another helpful short. If your problem is that you're riding along and you hit some rough terrain or you hit a bump or anything like that, and you have a power shutdown, this is what we want to check first. And it's really simple. It's just loose connection and kind of common sense. We're going to tell you exactly where to check. Come on in. There's one connection back here, and that's to the battery face of Liberty Trike right here. Let's just say that this was not secure. You might get a little bit of a connection. You hit a bump in the road and it jiggles and it moves. So number one to check, take a look at that, make sure everything's cool. Push that in all the way, give it a shot. Maybe that fixes your problem. Second one is the other place where you can get power, and that's down here. If we come over the top, that's obviously your battery to controller, right? Back to battery, up to controller. And if this connection again is not super secure, like this, and maybe you hit something and it's jiggling. If you got a jiggling problem and powering off, come down here, check that, make sure it's good and clean. Go ahead and push that all the way in, see if that solves your problem. Anything else, if you've got a bike that is stalling and actually powering down and turning off that LCD and the whole system, then we can look for something deeper. Maybe the battery needs to be charged. Maybe that's at its end of life, or there's some other problem. But those two main problems of a jiggly disconnection, something like that when you're hitting bumps, 9 times out of 10, that's where you want to go. I hope it's been helpful. If it doesn't help you out, give us a call.